of Market Solver Pro. It's under my scripts developer mode here. And what I like to do on gold, if you can see the default settings on Forex is very choppy, lots of entries, lots of exits. What I like to do on gold is to just, hey guys, I wanted to talk about gold on Market Solver Pro. As most of you might know, it's been on an uptrend, and I'm currently on within a trade on gold, and I'd like to show how the opportunity was captured using Market Solver Pro. So let me just pull up my developer version of Market Solver Pro. It's under my scripts developer mode here. And what I like to do on gold, if you can see the default settings on Forex is very choppy, lots of entries, lots of exits. What I like to do on gold is to increase the ATR, threshold to 8. And you can see this is what I like to do as well on different markets, changing certain thresholds, and see which performs best on a particular forex pair or commodity. So in this case, for me at least, an ATR factor of 8 on the trailing stop settings for gold works very well. So 6.25% performance, 2.6% profit factor, and a manageable drawdown of 1.95%. So I am actually on this trade still. I did not follow the exit here, but this was the signal that was used to capture my entry. If we look closer here, this was on 16th February, 2:30 p.m. UTC. Right, so we took an entry here and rode it all the way up. Right, we held through this small range here and kept holding. So again, I'm trying to use a discretion here, because I think, yeah, at around this point I decided instead to use the major direction line as my stop. So I'm currently holding a stop at 1890, right? So if price comes back down there, I'll be stopped out, and that will be my trade. So if I followed Market Solver Pro to the T, I would have been stopped here, and this would have been very good profits. But I do believe, mixing in some fundamentals, fully aware of the situation in Europe, right, that gold has the potential to break upwards. So I think it was around this particular, long plateau here. Once it broke up, that's when I started to trail using the major direction instead of the prescribed green line here, which is an ATR stop by Market Silver Pro. So yeah, but if we did follow this, this would have been this particular trader, a 1.79% gain. Multiply that with your leverage. If you're doing a 10 leverage on gold, then that's a nice 10-11% profit. So yeah, just that's the quick trade that I'm on gold. Very nice, riding the trend upwards and hoping for continued breakout. If we show the support and resistance lines, yeah, so there's a consolidation here, strong resistance, and this can actually be resisted and stop us out. But I'm trying to milk this trend as far as it can go, as far as it reasonably can go, and we'll see what happens. Other pairs, we did not get good signals on Market Solver Pro for the past couple days. So Monday and Tuesday, I think, were very choppy as well on the Aussie and the Kiwi. So let me just reset the settings here. Let's show the support resistance. Take this out. Yeah, if it's been very choppy, right? So I think I tried an entry here, got chopped out, so I stayed away. I think I took two entries on Aussie, and it was very choppy until we caught that nice move on gold. All right, so let's just quickly check Aussie dollar. Yeah, this is a fake out, and Market Solver Pro did not give us a signal. Usually, if this happens, like it breaks minor resistance, breaks a stronger resistance, and minor resistance is still below the stronger, it just does this. So that's why no signals are usually produced if that happens. But either way, we were caught in a few traps here. There was a small move here, got us a few pips, 1 or 2 pips. Yeah, very choppy markets. On Euro Yen, let's also see this. There's currently a buy signal here. This may prove to be an uptrend. So there's a buy signal now on Euro Yen. I'll be monitoring this. My capital is still in gold, as I said, but if I get stopped out there and this continues an uptrend, I might consider entering, scaling into Euro Yen as it tries to go back to the upside. So we might see a move on Euro Yen. Um, you know, if it breaks through this minor resistances here, it might try to go all the way up to 133. Kiwi Yen, yeah, we have a move also similar to Aussie Yen. Not a move that I particularly like, but yeah, it shows some energy to the upside. Same with Kiwi dollar. Seeing some moves on the markets right now. Take a look at dollar CAD. Not much. So it's currently at support. If it breaks down here, then we'll probably wait for a retest. I would like it to move beyond this higher time frame support, form a retest, then maybe produce a signal somewhere here, right? And that's when I'd like to go short on this, just to be sure about it. So yeah, that's a quick scan of the market, and once again, a quick coverage of the gold trade that I am currently playing right now. That's it, guys. See you around.